Are you ready to speak English naturally every day?
Let's dive into Unit 4 for 900 crazy phrases.
Well, good morning, class. Welcome to 900 Crazy English. Let's make learning unforgettable.
Lesson 31. Shame. You should be ashamed of yourself. His behavior was shameful. He has disgraced his entire family. She is a disgrace to her country. I feel very ashamed for what I did. I want to apologize for the shame I have brought on this school. He blushed with shame. That man has no shame. He couldn't hide his embarrassment. His shame was evident to everyone. I lied to my parents, and now I feel very guilty. I feel so ashamed of myself. I can't believe I fell flat on my face at the recital. I'm so ashamed and embarrassed. I don't think I can face my friends and family. Lesson 32. Threat. That dog is very threatening. The idea of change threatens some people. He was warned about a possible threat. Predators were a threat to the herd. His crops were threatened by the lack of rain. Are you threatening me? People can act violently if they feel threatened. My cat is no threat to anybody. This wind is threatening to become a storm. His tone of voice held a subtle threat. If you aren't home exactly on time tonight, we are going to have to punish you. If you come home late, then you won't be able to talk on the phone for 2 weeks. Give me everything, or I will use my gun. Don't try to call for help until I'm long gone, otherwise I'll have to hurt you. If you don't work late tonight, then don't bother coming back to work at all. Lesson 33. Reproach. You need to stop being late to work. He reproached Tom for his careless work. The teacher admonished the whole class for their grades. I wouldn't do that if I were you. That's not a good idea. That is not okay. I can't believe you just did that. That was disgusting. You are very rude. You can't act that way in public. You would have had plenty of time to finish if you had started the book report when I first gave the assignment. I must admit that I'm very disappointed in you. You need to take this more seriously. You have no right to get on my case. I don't think you do. We are all depending on each other to do our parts. Lesson 34. Worries. I'm worried about next week's test. Don't worry about me. I'm worried for your safety. Your driving concerns me. He doesn't seem concerned about his health. It's nothing that you should worry about. His actions have always been a worry to me. This new information is very worrisome. I'm a little concerned about the expense of this meal. He is a real worry to his mother. I've got some money troubles. I'm a musician, and I often don't have regular jobs. I'm good at English and history, but I'm really awful at the natural sciences. I can't get rid of my worries. I know I'm being silly, but I'll worry about her for the rest of my life. Lesson 35. Deception. You tricked me. I was deceived in this business deal. His words were very deceptive. You allowed yourself to be deceived. Don't be fooled by his friendly words. He was completely fooled by his enemy. Don't let appearances deceive you. You can't fool me that easily. He was tricked out of his money. I can't believe I was such a fool. She would have contacted my parents if I couldn't have come up with a good excuse. It's only a white lie, so it's no big deal. My conscience would weigh heavily on me. I had to make something up so I wouldn't get into trouble. Are you sure that you had to be dishonest? Lesson 36. Ridicule. He's always making mistakes. Does she always dress that badly? You are such an idiot. What you are saying is ridiculous. His argument is nonsense. He is an awful actor. That is the most stupid thing I have ever heard. He is the worst worker here. This poem is awful. Your music is hurting my ears. Then why was everyone laughing at me? They were having fun at my expense. I don't like the embarrassment. Then that's too bad, because I'm never going to put myself through that ordeal again. Last week, I did something really dumb, and everyone laughed. Lesson 37. Flattery. You haven't aged one bit. That dress looks marvelous on you. Don't try to impress me with flattery. I'm not fooled by your false compliments. You played that piece wonderfully. You sing like an angel. He's the best ball player I have ever seen. You are our most valuable worker. We are very impressed with your work. You have the best yard in the neighborhood. You are just the person I was hoping to run into, because your smile brightens up my day. Can't I just enjoy your company? I really like that dress you are wearing. I just wanted to let you know how well I think you are running the office. Lesson 38. Sorrow. I'm so sorry this has happened to you. I can't deal with this right now. This is awful. Are you crying? I'll be okay in a moment. I miss my wife. These pictures make me sad. He's still grieving for her. She hasn't gotten over the death of her child. I just don't feel like talking about it. Why are you so upset? I feel like my heart is breaking. I'm not in the mood to talk right now. I'm really upset right now, and I think I'd rather be alone. In these cases, time to heal is the only thing that can help. Lesson 39. Jealousy. That girl thinks she is so cute. I wish I could afford a car like this. I have to admit I'm a little jealous. I'm envious of his success. You have no reason to envy me. Are you jealous of my friend? I wish I could be as fast as Tom. He clearly makes Bill jealous. Jealousy can really hurt a friendship. It doesn't help to be envious of him. I can already tell that I won't like him. It sounds like you are jealous. I just don't like the idea of you spending so much time with that guy. No matter how much I study, I can't seem to beat you. I guess my envy makes me get carried away. Lesson 40. Fear. Dogs terrify me. I'm scared of heights. He's too afraid of getting hurt. Something has given him a bad fright. That man's eyes frighten me. That movie was terrifying. I'm still afraid of the dark. Drowning is one of my greatest fears. I'm not afraid to say what I think. Don't be frightened by the noises. If you turn off the lights, the monster will come out from underneath my bed. It will come out and eat me if you turn off the lights. I freak out every time I see a bug. Have you ever tried to overcome your fear? One day, you will have to face your fear.